Looking for a simple way to cool and brighten your room in one go? Meet this indoor ceiling fan from Westinghouse, complete with an integrated LED light. It pairs smooth airflow with warm, even lighting, so your space feels comfortable and looks great. You get a quiet, efficient motor and 5 balanced blades designed for steady performance. Use the pull chains to choose your speed high, medium, or low and set the mood with the dimmable LED. The frosted diffuser softens glare for comfortable everyday use. Year-round comfort is built in. In warmer months, set the fan to push air downward for a cooling effect. In cooler months, reverse the direction to circulate warm air near the ceiling back into the room. That simple switch helps your heating and cooling work smarter. Installation fits most standard rooms and mounting setups, including a low-profile option for tighter ceilings. The blade finish works with modern or classic decor, and the disc-style light keeps the look clean and uncluttered. What will you notice after install? Quieter nights, better air movement, and lower hassle because the long-lasting LED means fewer bulb changes. It's a practical upgrade for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices where you want comfort and consistent light from a single fixture. Ready to check today's price or ship to your location? Use the links in the description and pick your country. You'll land on the same product page for your local store. If you want more fast, useful videos like this, please like the video, drop a quick comment, and subscribe to the channel for the next upload. Tap the link for your country in the description now to get yours and make your room cooler, brighter, and calmer without overthinking the details.